Is it working? Okay, if I click start all streams, what happens? Does it die? Does it literally die? That's what we want to see. Stream finished. Dismiss. Is it working? Is it connecting? That's what we want to see. So far, the result has been extremely not positive, as you can see, but we're going to see if this works out. Okay, who told me? Okay, let's see. What is Twitter? Don't be so salty. But Twitter one, don't be so salty. Either people don't watch it, they don't watch. Dismiss. Is it working? We're just gonna go here. We're gonna see. What is happening is that's working proper. It says that it's working good. We're gonna just see, but we don't see anything here, which is super strange for me. But I think we continue till we try. Maybe I do not know why this is not working, why this does not show properly. Started 21 minutes ago. Now the config is working. Hopefully it starts working and it starts showing the output because everything seems to be working. But everything is also ending. Okay, so we're just gonna go here. So apparently it's working. I'm just gonna go start working, bro. If it's not working, it's not working. That's it. And maybe we have to apply this lot a bit less. That's it. You know. Okay, that's it. We're just gonna go in here. We're gonna do it. It's streaming right now. It's not like 5 million people are waiting for this. No. Find more insights about wipe coding, which shows I've done research. Make it go viral on Twitter. So we want to make sure that this thing goes viral. Otherwise, there's absolutely no point in doing any of this. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm making sure that we're making as much content as possible because we want that content posted everywhere. We're also going to post a lot. But the first thing that we want to see is vibeselling.com. Is that working? If that's working, because I'm not a big fan mm, of the colors that we've gone with. Let me just push to production. Right, push to production. Why is it looking push to production? Why is it looking so ugly? Push. If you push it, did it push it? This is not. I'm not a fan of this. Not a fan how the things with the server are happening. And right now this is taking so long. I do not know what these guys do. Your connection is not private. What do you mean it's not private? Just sort it out. Not as big fan of this as I'd be. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to this workspace and I think that's what we're gonna do. What's happening? Okay, something is happening. We see something is happening. This guy has so less enthusiasm, it doesn't even look like. Könnten wir, nee, das ist nicht möglich. It's so much work. I need to give this apartment. Um, Yeah, that why is this so stupid? Okay, I have to log into that console and see why this is not changing automatically. I already implemented the case where all of this is gonna be. Okay, then a few. Okay, so now I have to see this is the project which is running. Okay, so now I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go into my VM, and we're gonna see. So then we're gonna go here. We're gonna go into VM instances. New world one. Okay, I have to see. I think I'm in the wrong folder. Okay, so now I'm gonna look at my instances. I'm gonna see which is so right now I have to go inside. Yeah, I think it's Voho VM. We're gonna go inside there, and I'm gonna SSH it and try to figure out what the problem is, because this has not been updated and this has not been pushed. Um, it's not being it's not being pushed automatically. Auto deployment is working now. Where's the auto deployment? All workflows. Auto deployment is working. Oh, okay, so we can see if I go here, if I look at auto deployments, okay, actions, we're going to see actions. We're going to see if this is working properly or not, because our goal is to auto deploy all of this to server, and then we're going to be able to see. 32 minutes ago, this has been done. Why is there no deployment happening again? Let me see if I'll try to push it to production. Make landing page. Just push again with a tiny edit to production, so that I see if it auto deploys. Really important. So I could understand before that it was not working like this, but right now it's working. So it should. So this is how I'm using GitHub Actions and actually auto deploying all of this. Okay, so hopefully I do not have to go in there, but maybe I also have to go in there and I have to push, I have to pull. Yeah, this is perfect for vibe coders who want to learn new stuff, because I'm a programmer for 15 years and I'm vibe coding, so you could just build production ready apps. Vibe coders who are building production apps should check out. Should check out. Should check out. Um, uh, Programming 15 years. I've been programming 15 years, and now I'm sure. Everything's okay. Okay, so this is going to change it. Now I'm going to look if this is auto deploying. If it is not auto deploying, we're going to look at our GitHub actions. It's really important to set up all of these GitHub actions, because it helps you properly. So if you're here, we can look at the different workflows. So right now it's running this workflow. Let's see what this is doing properly. So it's deploying right now, and we're going to see if this works. If this works, it should change stuff in production. and then I'll be able to see it. But what is exactly the change? Add homepage meta now includes now with personalized onboarding. This commit should trigger it. Okay, let's see. So this is right now deploying. This is right now going inside the server, which is the Google Cloud server, and just setting it up. Actually, this is super cool from MS. This is exactly what we are also building. Uh, this is also exactly what we are building with Vibeselling. So one product, infinite content, and automate all your selling. Why does it take? I'm also gonna forward pay AMA. So all of these founders are. So I'm also gonna apply for this speed run from A16Z. Super important. Okay, so what's happening? A lot of tech news, everything is happening in there, but I'm not interested. I really want to see YAML file. How is this going actually? Is it deploying properly? This is really important. Otherwise, I'm just gonna go in there and I'm gonna go inside this VM. This is okay, authorize. I'm authorizing this VM. So I'm entering this virtual machine, which has all of this, which has everything regarding my product, because we're deploying everything to Google VM. This is much easier rather than doing it on Vercel or Netlify or any of these tools. Much cost effective, I'd not say easier, as you could see also here. Yeah, that's important. I like this. Determination. We are the most determined here. The only problem here that I have is that it's just taking way too long for my taste. Okay, retry. Let's see if we retry what happens. Okay, so we're gonna see if this change is happening. So this has been pushed to production. Let's see. I think GitHub has already pushed it by vibeselling.com. We're just gonna see. So what was the thing? Refine landing page design, what went up the cleaner? Okay, nothing like that was actually add onboarding need. Okay, where is okay, I do not see it. And has what's happened to GitHub Actions? So let me just go try to see where the GitHub Actions are. Yeah, man, authorize this. Please authorize this. I've been asking forever to just authorize this. Once it's authorized, just give me info and we're gonna take it further from there. Okay, deployed. So it has been automatically deployed, but the problem is that it doesn't show, it doesn't check. So that means that it's not working. I think I'll have to sort it out now myself. Okay, so as a programmer, I'm just gonna go do the bad work, do the dirty work. Okay, CD shared. Where's my application? CD apps. Okay, git branch. This like what is happening? Let me just go. What, 1 second. ls cd tracker. This git status. Git status. This is not a Git repository. Why is it sudo? This is because this is wrong. What kind of a yeah, this is great. This is exactly what we want. Yeah. Okay, this prevents me now to launch this product which I wanted to launch. So I'm just gonna, it's already 2 o'clock. My goal was that I'd already launch it, and I don't even know if my broadcast is working properly. But it's okay if it's not working. Can't be bothered more than that. Okay. So concurrent views, whatever happens. Yeah, I want to launch. Let's see. Okay, so we're just gonna go here, we're gonna go here, we're gonna go. We are gonna. Okay, so this is it, this is it, this is it. Gets me. Status. Okay, I'll fix all of this stupid shit. Okay, I'll start fixing all of these problems because getting this error in server. So that's it. I'm putting it in ChatGPT, telling it exactly this error, and then it's gonna say, "Hey, just initiate it." There's no get. So this is how to fix it. Reinitialize, add commit, remote add origin. Yes. So that's the thing. This is you're in the wrong folder. No, I'm not in the wrong folder. So that's it. Got deleted accidentally, and that's why it is like this. But I've got all my files here, so this is super strange. So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna remote add origin again, and then we're gonna say this is working because the origin is missing here, as you could see. So I'm just gonna go on vibeselling.com. No, not this one, bro. Okay, not this one, bro. So I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna go to the Boho timer. This was updated 7 minutes, 7 hours ago. What was it updated with? I have to see that as well. Okay, so now this is it. Git remote show, git remote add origin. So that's what we have to do. So I'm just gonna go here and I'm gonna say, yeah, git uh, remote add origin, and then we can do this. This is it. It's not a good report. Why do I get this? I shouldn't get it. Do I have to initialize it again? That's strange. I don't think I have to initialize it again, but if they say that I have to, then we can do it, you know, we're just chilling. Yeah, bro. We'll never understand why how this thing is even working. Bro, this is like permission denied. Why am I being denied permission to do this? So we're gonna check owner. Why is he the owner? Why can't we have multiple owners? Why is this? Why can't we have multiple owners? Give them access. This is my team member. What's better? What's better way to make this? Okay, let's see. Yeah, this reminds me of back in the good old days when. Can you do this one time for all products we have in apps in home slash share slash apps, please? Okay, so now we are gonna go into this folder and we're gonna just do it for everything that exists inside this folder. That's gonna be so much better. Okay, we're just gonna do this. Okay, let's see. So it's gonna run it. It's gonna solve all the permission issues because ChatGPT just told me that every folder inside Linux, because everything runs on Linux, all the servers are Unix based, Linux based. So when you have something there, then you cannot. When you have something there, then you can only have one owner. And right now we are creating a group, adding users to that group, and then making all of them owners. So that's gonna be much better. So let's see. So we're doing it. It's running right now. So we're just gonna wait for this. Until then, I think I'm just gonna. I'm just impressed how I'm gonna build this impressive product. This is gonna get super exciting. Till then, let me go grab water fast, and hopefully all of these things are done till I'm back there. This is just changing all the configuration which is there. Also, I want to see if have we been properly streaming or not. Has the stream been working or not? This is something that we're gonna see. Hopefully, yeah, we're gonna see. So I'm gonna start choosing. Okay, this is me. This is me. I could also put me a bit there at the corner. Okay, let's go. Let's go as much as in the corner as possible, but not completely out. You know, we can't go completely out right now. Not right now. Maybe in the future, we're completely out. But this is it. We're gonna go closer to this. We've got everything in there, and yeah, that's how it looks like. Does it look good? Okay, this has been done. I wanted to grab water. Okay, so now let's say git init. Oh, initialized it, so that worked properly. So we're gonna just go back there and we're gonna run that command. Or better if you what? I've already told you. For repository, it's set origin. It's gonna already tell me, so I don't have to do it. That's really close. Okay, this is it. We're gonna just add the origin and now it should work. Okay, so now this should work. Origin is this fetch public get set origin. Okay, now get status. I have no idea why we have to add all of those things. Package.json .github superbase. What? Git logs. Git log. Git commit minus history. Git history. Bro, what's the command? Can I see? Can I see latest commits? That's why I hate it the most about programming when I have to base git log. But did I not say it? Oh, fuck it. Oh, this is not true. This is not true. This is not true. Oh, this never works. Why do I need it? Okay, it's private. Oh, okay. I need to find that git personal access token. I think that's what's up. What this is. This is never gonna work. God. Oh, there's no way. Yeah, for sure, this didn't work. Git personal access token. If that thing is gonna be there, we're just gonna check. There's another token which I can add. So if I do this, I think if this doesn't work, then we take a break and we take it tomorrow morning. Oh, it worked. Okay, so I'm gonna delete the other one. Thank goodness. Delete. Okay, let me grab water because now we've got more energy. Good job. What aborting? Oh, fuck it. It's status. Well, I'm not getting it. Why would this fail actually? Oof. I think we have to sit down in the morning and do it. If you fix it. I hope you put me in there.
You learned AI but still can't find clients? That's because most creators are just collecting prompts with zero strategy. Without a producer find clients? That's you learned AI but still can't find clients? That's because most creators are just collecting prompts with zero strategy. Without a producer mindset, your videos are just eye candy, and businesses pay for outcomes, not visuals. Inside AI Video Club, we don't just teach tools, we train you to think like a director, and there are creators already using this to land real work. Join AI Video Club for the price of a coffee and start making money with AI today. Tap the link below. You learned AI but still can't find clients? That's because most
How did you guys like the video? That's the video that we've created for our AVC. This is an ad that we're gonna run, but it's also content that we are posting. Yeah, I'm gonna download this content, post everywhere, and that's gonna be super exciting and super excellent. And yeah, that's gonna be amazing. That's gonna be amazing. That's it. Okay, let me grab water fast, and then we take it from there. Please. Hmm. Okay, 1 second. We're just gonna try to check if the ads are running properly. Okay, chat, it's getting a bit late, and I need to fix this issue before we jump forward because I really wanted to launch it. I'm just not getting one thing. Yeah, it status. Bro, I'm just tired of this bullshit. I'm just tired of this bullshit. Like, why the? I just fixed it, but give me a global fix which I can use. This is like ChatGPT is giving me wrong information. It doesn't understand. Guys, but I love it because back in the good old days, I had to fix all of these things single handedly. Oof. Okay, this is the okay, this is the okay. Okay, now we know how to. Okay, so now we're gonna go in there. We're gonna go to the web part of it, and we're gonna run this npm run build again, and then we're gonna. Okay, so if we go here, npm run. Oh, so I have to run all of. It's already an ecosystem file. Permission denied. Okay, wonderful. So I have permission issues again. But don't I have an ecosystem file? One second. Uh, okay, chat. So we're just saying if this is all working properly, we just need to increase the amount of energy that we've got here. So that's the thing. Is that it? I've not checked my chat so far today. I don't know what's happening, but it's part of it because you can't look at so many browsers at all time. So yeah. Yes, struggling a bit. But what a launch today. Some issues. Yeah, you're right. I'm struggling today. Not gonna lie. Thank you for noting that. Uh, yeah, today is a bit of a struggling day. Nothing is working, even though I wanted it to work. But yeah, part of it, I guess. Also, it's super late. So if I come tomorrow morning, I think I'll have more energy. But I figured it out. Too many server issues, too many server issues. Queen Gago, glad that you joined in and you checked up. Yeah, I'm struggling here. But I like that you checked up on me. Dude. Okay, so I'm getting a lot of this problem. I think I have to sort out a lot of these things because a lot of these things, configurations have to change. That's the issue right now. We have a lot of these configurations. I could just give it to AI and just tell it to change all of these, but it's not gonna, yeah. So I could just tell it that, hey, our vibe selling is actually, okay, this is too much. This is too much. There's too much server configuration, which was done by my developer, one of my engineers, and that's the problem. Um, that is the problem, but now we're gonna fix it. 1 second, I need to see timestamps. Oh, visual timestamps. Oh, wow. I saw it a bit too late. But it's good. I think, yeah, it's already too late. It's 2:39. I'm gonna end this stream, unfortunately. We wanted it to be a bit more optimistic, if I'm being honest, but as you know, as you see, not every day is your lucky day. Which I'm just gonna come tomorrow and go harder and fix all of these issues that we are facing. But I guess that day is not today. I could do it. I wanted to launch it today, but unfortunately, I think it's gonna move to tomorrow. It's 2:30. I need to sit down also with my engineer and fix a lot of these configurations which are everywhere. But that's gonna take a bit of time, and it's not gonna be done immediately. I also want to see one more thing. Okay, vibe selling. If I go here, is that updated or not? Yeah, that sells for you onboarding. If I do onboarding, okay, no, I think it's tomorrow that we're gonna do it. Okay, everybody, time to call it a day. This thing is not gonna work as we wanted. Also, this looks. Maybe I have to change a bit of LUT configuration because I feel like this LUT is making me look like a ghost. We want to avoid that. Okay, maybe if I do it less, it's gonna be better. Okay. So yeah, that's how it is. Okay, so we're just gonna end this stream. It has been amazing always running this stream, vibe coding, but I'm gonna bring more energy tomorrow. And yeah, gonna wake up in the morning, start the stream so that we could have a longer stream and launch eventually tomorrow and start getting customers and start following what Claude is telling us and have more enthusiasm, more energy, and just come with it. And I'm also gonna start adding some consistent background music. Every day the stream improves. One thing I have to say, even though we are always like, I'm super self-critical, but that's your life. That's your life as a startup founder. You're always very extremely critical, but that is something that we are sorting out here. But the good thing is, things are moving further and further, faster and faster. We've learned so much about vibe coding. We've learned so much about vibe selling. We've brought a lot of these things together. So it's super exciting. Let's take it to tomorrow and call today. Call it the end because it's almost 3 a.m. and I gotta smash the bed, sleep 7 hours or 8 hours, doesn't matter. Gotta take care of health and then just go from there, guys. And then we know. And I need to make this go. No, no, no. Ah, we don't want this. We are gonna click on options because from up there, there has to be a bit more. It shouldn't look like my head is just properly colliding with it. But yeah, oh, homie, you're struggling. I loved it. I loved it. Yes, I was struggling, man. I was struggling. Today was a struggling day. But it gives a lot of energy. I think I like it much more when I'm streaming and going through all of it. It's actually much more fun. I'm not gonna lie. This is really good. Okay, boys. See you tomorrow. We're gonna start the day with streaming. Streaming is actually super excellent for me. I have extreme amount of ADHD. I'm this kind of founder who's always tack 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 tack. So with streaming, I'm focused. I'm sat here. I know people are watching, and I need to get my job done. So it just gives me it's just more fun. It just adds a bit more fun because, yeah, I do not know. The journey is could always get more fun, but this is actually fun. So this is actually fun. Okay, I'm just changing the configuration a bit, as you can see. Yeah, so this is more configuration. I think this is cleaner look, and we continue with this. And I see all of you actually tomorrow. Oh, I could even do it like this. Then it looks like proper mic. It is already proper mic. Today we also improved the mic. That was one of the best additions because I could just bring it here and I could say, guys, we are talking about this. And this mic, okay, I do not know if it messed up the whole voice, but yeah, this was good. And see you all tomorrow.